What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and let's get on with the video. Now, in today's video, we are sneaking our way in to a supercar meet. This is like legit, like only supercars only. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to get in, but I did register for it. But the thing is that they didn't have the category of BMW. It's actually legit. It's Sunset GT, like bunch of supercars come. Actually all kind of cars come, but mostly like sick ass like supercars come to this meet, so should be pretty dope. So I'm gonna vlog like all the cars for you guys. It's been a while since I've hit a car meet. Actually, it's been a cool minute since I've hit a car meet. I missed out on a bunch of events this weekend, and I think like last weekend and the weekend before. So I was like, you know what, I haven't gone to a car meet in a long time, and you guys haven't seen me in a while. And I'm gonna show you guys this car meet. This car meet is legit. This is the only reason why I'm going, and for you guys as well. So let's get on with the rest of the video. Now, this meet starts at, I believe, 9 a.m. and it is currently 7:17 a.m. But the reason why I'm going early is because I know it's gonna be super packed, and I gotta see if I can even get in. So if not, like I said, I'll park outside. It's fine. And I also need gas. I only have like freaking 30 miles of gas. All right, guys, we're almost there. About 2 minutes away. Hopefully they let us in. I'll be like, yeah, guys, it's the new Aston Martin GTS. What are you talking about? You guys haven't heard of it? All right, guys, so all the supercars are over there. Hopefully they let us in. I hope. All right, guys, so they're not open yet. They will be soon. So I'm gonna just park. Damn. Am I gonna be the only Beamer in there? That's funny. Now, I'm only on 27 miles of gas. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. There's a big ass line. Damn. Let's go see what's up with the homie Blue Beauties. Aston Martin, McLarens. I definitely do not fit in here. Damn, that's a sweet color. SV, all the McLarens. Holy fuck, the STO. This legit just came out. Oh my god, bro, if I swear to god, if I could, I would. That's fire.
What's up, guys? So we're at
that is fire. Freaking LaFerrari in a 918. What the hell? Holy shit. I definitely don't fit in. And the STO in matte green, that's hard as fuck. I like that. I think that was Gintani that just pulled up with his SVJ. Yep, another McLaren GT, 488, Huracan. That's a nice color on the GT. That's a nice 600 LT. It's nice. Gallardo, another 600 LT. Oh shit. GT2 RS. Oh my gosh. Super nice spec. We got a perf. Wow, it is popping down here. Oh my gosh, dude. Guys, it literally jiggles all the way down there, bro. That's crazy. So packed over here. What the heck? Are they bringing the bikers in too? What the fuck? Oh my gosh. Holy shit, bro. Look, none of these fools have masks. None of these guys. That's crazy. Damn. Twin turbo?
Yeah,
that's crazy. Alright guys, it's time to roll in. Wish me luck. Let's see what happens. Alright guys, we're getting closer. I feel like people are trying to cut inside. Alright guys, we got the little bracelet in here. I mean, we made it to part 1. As you can see, this is how it looks right now inside. Looks crazy. So should be pretty dope. And for GTS specialty, that's right, they let your boy in here. That's how we do it, guys. So we made it, bro. We literally made it. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, we snuck into a supercar. Oh my god, bro. Wow, I made it. Hey, I'm cool with this parking spot right here in the back. I'm chilling. As long as I made it inside, right?
What did the guy say?
Ooh, the homie Eli with his GT3. We got GT3RS, GT3RS, all the GT3RS is parked over here on this side. Bro, holy shit, that's crazy. I haven't seen it up in person, bro. That shit's insane. There's literally no windshield, guys. It's just straight up like that. That's freaking insane. Oh my gosh, this Pagani. Holy shit, bro. This is so freaking fire. Wow. 720S GTR, that's sick. Wow. Bugatti Chiron. Dang, bro. Baller. Baller spec. Wow. Wow, this is fire, bro. Check this out, guys. Holy shit, guys. That's freaking insane. Okay, I feel like all the Lambos just parked on this side, bro. All the STOs are on that side too. There's the blue one that we're talking about. Wow. 3 STOs. Look how fat that is. Holy shit, guys. It is so freaking packed. So packed. That's fire. That's just fire. Wow. Twin turbos? Yeah, 720S is nice. Red interior, that's fire. Damn. Gallardo Superleggera, that's nice. Wow. Oh, he's rubbing on the fender. He's rubbing somewhere. Yeah. Homie Jared and GT3RS. Wow, big body Cullinan. Rolls. Wow, that Huracan's fire. Wow. That's nice. Wow, that's nice. Wide body, sick. That's a nice GT3RS. Lava orange. Man, lime rock. Man. Only big boy toys allowed. Oh my God, that shit is nice. Wow. So many Huracans, bro.
They're like pushing a nice one.
That's nice Ferrari. Damn. Trust the funds, huh? Damn.
They sent the hauling downstairs?
No. Wow. GT2RS, this is a nice spec, bro. Wow. That's fire. Bro, that's clean. McLaren with the roofs, with the scoop. Wow. That's fire. Bro. Huracan Evos are going downstairs? No way. Oh my God, they're sending all the, bro, I had Aventador's hard as shit. Bro, the pistas, everybody's, that's crazy. Holy shit. Bro, they're sending all the Lambos except for the Senna. Oh, another one? Damn.
It because people yell to music. That's so gay.
Wow.
It's like prison, bro. It's fucking prison.
Wow. That's a sick ass spec. Damn.
Lions on the wall.
That's crazy. Wow, that's a nice 765. That's tough. That is tough. Damn, Platinum just killed everybody coming in here, bro. Bro. Wow. Mansory kit, Cullinan. I think it's a black badge. Oh my gosh, bro, that shit is fucking beautiful. It's so baller. Oh my god, that shit's so sick. Damn, look at that interior though. Congrats, bro. Wow. Another Mansory pulling it. That's freaking insane. That's so baller. Wow, that's a nice spec. That's nice. Wow, another Senna. That's nice. Man, that Aventador is so clean. Damn. Damn, this McLaren's hard as fuck. With all the little red carbon fiber, that looks good. Guys, check this out. Look how crazy this is. Literally just one seat in the middle. Alright guys, I think it's time to roll out. Kind of looks like everybody's leaving. This was a sick car meet. Damn guys, it is so freaking packed here. It's insane. But we're leaving now. Had a good time. Great meet. It's been a while since I've gone to a car meet, like I said. And this was definitely one for the books. Holy shit, you guys hear that? It sounds like a freaking F1 car. Guys, there's so many people. Oh my gosh, bro. Look how many people there are, bro. Look at all the people, guys. It's insane. Oh my gosh, bro. Look at all the people. That's crazy. There goes another McLaren Senna right there. Wow. There goes a Huracan STO. And there's more cars, bro. There's just so many supercars everywhere. Look, check this out. That's it. We need a supercar.